Alright. So, let me get straight to the point. As you can see, little Skippy, here's little Skippy, you know, he's seen better days, you know. Yeah, especially just the blue box. There you go. But I was working with that guy professionally. My grandfather's box, still holding on tight, so he's not gonna go anywhere, he's just gonna go home. He's not so little anymore. We did a thing. This is the Tech Series, 25 deep by 67, 25 inches deep by 67 inches long. It's technically a 3-bay, but you got 2 drawers that kind of spread over to the 2, so it doesn't make it a 2-bay, I don't know, 3-bay. We'll call it a 3-bay. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything about this box, a little gift from myself to me. But yeah, hopefully it's going to help me work a little bit more efficiently. Welcome to Hutch Stable Garage. Now, for a little bit of real-life size comparison, without having to run a tape across, what a lot of people say is your wingspan is technically as tall as you are. So I'm around 5'8", 5'9", so my wingspan, fingertip to fingertip, should be about that. But this is going to give you a quick reference. So if I touch over there, I have just a little bit of extra there. And then same deal, ooh, that's a lot of stretch. I can touch the 2 tops. So it's about, like, you know, it's one of those big. Let's open this bad boy up. But yeah, so you just kind of grab it like so, opens like this, and you slide it nice and in. Plenty of space for activities in here. Let me show you what I kind of got going on. So inside here, usually when I open this guy up in the morning, I slap my big old tool chest bag, thingamabob, you know. I take that, fill it with the tools from in here, take them down to the barn for when I need to work on Hutch Stable Garage videos, but I gotta bring the tools back, so I slap this guy back in here. We still have, we're not brand specific here at Hutch Stable Garage, so we still have the snap-on air leak finder, you know. You get that with every $1,000 purchase. It comes with free refills. See, I'm almost ready to warranty that sucker. Not too bad. A lot of this stuff in here you're going to see is Princess Auto. We got a nice big reflective light that was given to me by a good buddy named Steven there. Oof, jeez, I like the taunted you guys. We got our Tim Hortons cup, all nuzzled in here. A big old magnet. Getting back to the box though. Comes with a pegboard, at least this one was spec'd out too. This unit right here is the bed liner top. Matt Tool Dealer told me, don't get any Teflon tape or chalk or anything on this top because you'll never get it out. That's his words exactly. So all my chalk and all that stuff is prohibited from staying up on top of this. It also came with a mat that you could put under, but I think, you know, I'm going to leave it up top, kind of keep the dust down below. Power drawer on this side, dual USB, 3 plugs, and then you got a plug off to the side there. I'm thinking maybe a different breaker. Not quite sure. I just moved into this box last week, so the personalization of this sucker is going to come along. But I'll show you guys likely in another couple months how it's all going. So, yeah. You guys will see this box maybe in another year or 2, or, you know, eventually you might see it at Hutch Stable Garage. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video very, very soon.